Hi, my name is Oscar David Sanchez. This homework crime investigation. What was the crime? The Bank International was robbed with guns. They stole over 100,000 in cash. Describe the crime scene. Bank robber for two men with guns. The rob was a sunny day. What was the evidence? Near the bank some cigarettes were found as evidence. These cigarettes are from Mr. Bonnie. A cup of coffee was found in the manager's office as proof of the relationships between the cashier and the manager. Which of the suspects do you consider was guilty? Mr. Davis is guilty. He was not at his place of work. The alibi of Mr. Davis was not remembered by the shopkeeper.